Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA for a little bit on YouTube, but that's just because I needed to get a new phone with some storage, so I wasn't able to record videos for the past 3 months just because I was waiting for my new iPhone to come in. Yeah, but now that I got my iPhone, it's time to get to that bag. It's time to make some more content. It's time to, level up. I don't know, but it's time. It's time for me to come back and make my return. I know I've done this about 4 different times, but I made a promise to myself to actually continue on with this. But yeah, so I'm back. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button because I know you're going to like what you see. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but today I am going to be cleaning up my hair room just because it is dirty. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks like. Please do not judge me. I had somewhere to go on Saturday and I just didn't have time to clean up afterwards, and then I didn't come home, and then once I got home it was time for me to go to work. So today's finally my day off and I'm going to clean up, but y'all don't judge me, okay? We all have that time where our rooms get a little dirty. I'm gonna just show y'all what the hair room looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like, y'all. I know it looks gross in here. It looks real gross in here. But okay, so this is my canvas head. Well, one of the canvas heads that I use for my wigs. Those towels, they are my bleaching towels because I did dye that wig over there. So that's why it's there, y'all. Don't mind my dog. He acting like he's gonna throw up. He's so dramatic. Like, why are you being dramatic? And yes, I keep their doggy beds in here because they live with me, so this day house too. But anyway, this is like where I keep all my bleaching supplies, my wig making materials, and my hot tools and combs and stuff that are dirty. And I gotta go ahead and clean out that paintbrush because I did dye some hair, color some hair. And I don't know why it's still sitting there, you guys. I've been so lazy. And yeah, and then that's the mirror that I use to do this wig install that you guys see on my head. I know I look rough, but it's okay. This is the area that I use for doing wigs and stuff. So these are my 2 tables. My sewing machine is right behind here. That's where I make the wigs. And then this is a whole bunch of trash that needs to be thrown out. Y'all, I don't know why I haven't taken it out to the trash, but I really need to go take it out to the trash. And then this is my spend the night bag for my boyfriends. This is one of my mannequin heads, or this is my only mannequin head. I need a new one. You see, I don't know. When I got it from the lady, it was already scratched. The lashes had came off, so I had to redo the lashes myself, so y'all, my mannequin head is all beat up, but I need a new one. But anyway, and then this is where I keep my printer, and then this is other supplies that I have. So yeah, that's my room. I'm going to clean it up, but I'm gonna put it on time lapse. I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna sit here and talk to y'all the whole entire time because this might take a little bit. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into this video, and yeah, I'll see y'all when I see y'all on the flip side. Finally got done straightening up. As you can see, it looks organized. There's nothing on the floor. I'm going back and forth so y'all can see. I still do need to wipe down those tables because they are dirty. But yeah, that's all that I needed to do for this room. But y'all, I'm sorry if I sound out of breath. I kept going up and down the stairs to throw stuff away. You need to replace this closure wig for a client. I work with this lady that owns she owns her own hair business. So this is one of her clients' wigs, and she wants closure replacement, but the only thing is like, look at this lace. Why is it even that color, you know? Like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. This is a factory made wig that her vendor, I guess, made. She wants the closure replaced on it. With this one, this is a 4x4, this is a 5x5. We're gonna see if I can do it. If I can't, I'm just gonna tell her I'm not gonna be able to, because I don't know. I personally don't like working with other people's lace because people give you stuff like this, and I don't want to put my name on something like that, you know, even though it's not from my vendor, it's not from my supplier. I still don't, I don't know. What do y'all think I should do? Should I make that wig, or should I just give it back to her and tell her I can't? Being an entrepreneur is like, especially a beginning entrepreneur, I'm pretty sure it gets easier, but it's still difficult for like people that have experience of being an entrepreneur. But being a freshly new entrepreneur, the first in your family to ever be a business owner, it's super hard because literally you're learning everything by yourself, from marketing, ads, you're learning how to get content, you're learning how to get your target audience, you're learning how to find out good vendors, you're learning how to make sure you're even pricing your products right for you and your business to make a good profit. But it's like super hard and super draining. Like last week I was literally going through something. Like I just got so depressed because I was working out. I started working out for like 2 weeks, and then I wasn't eating, I wasn't drinking water, and then I would go, after working out, I would go straight to like working on my business. And like, yeah, I was, you know, doing it constantly for 2 weeks, but it was just so tiring because I was planning content, I was trying to create content, I was working out, which, you know, my body was very tired and sore from, and then I wasn't eating, nourishing my body the way I should have been. I wasn't sleeping good. I was getting like maybe 4 hours of sleep. And then my dog got sick, and I get stressed out when my dog gets sick because it's like another medical bill that you have to like file upon. And then I wasn't like working, I was doing wigs full time, so it was just all stressful for me, like trying to find a job, trying to handle my business, trying to take care of myself, even though I really kind of wasn't taking care of myself. It's just a lot because, you know, you're trying to make a name for your business, you're trying to make a name for yourself, and it just sometimes feels like, personally for me, that like I'm not, like, I know that I'm getting somewhere, but I feel like I'm riding, like I'm just stagnant, like I'm riding a wave almost, but then I'm like this for a very long time, like just stagnant. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense to me. But yeah, just running a business is not easy. So if somebody ever told you like running a business is easy, it's not. It really isn't. When I first started my business, I thought, or no, when I first saw somebody like having a business, all they would show was like them packaging orders, them getting orders and stuff like that. And I was like, that is so cool. I can do that. Like, that's super easy. Like, my mentality thought, ooh, that's easy. Anybody could do that. But like, going into this, doing research about it, and actually doing it yourself, it is not easy. And like, a lot of people, like me, for myself, I really don't know my target audience. Like, I know I said in past videos what my target audience was, but to be honest, I'm moving more away from that. It's just a lot trying to figure out your target audience, and that's where I'm at right now, trying to figure out what my brand identity is. And it's super, super hard, super stressful. And I'm not gonna lie, I like sometimes shut down, and I get kind of disappointed in myself when I shut down, when I'm not doing the work that I'm supposed to. Like, I know I should be working harder towards something. I should be, you know, practicing my craft. I should be doing more research. Should be, you know, I don't know, writing, updating stuff. But I feel like, I don't know, I just get stuck. Now that I've ranted out, I'm going to try to do that wig. I really don't want to. I really don't want to, but I'm going to. And yeah, but my hair room is finally clean. I know it's not the best looking hair room in the world. I don't have all the funds to have like cubicles and shelves and organizers, but this works for me. I love my little area. I love that I even have a room dedicated and I'm not working out of my, you know, the room that I sleep at night in. So I'm just thankful for what I do have. So don't go in the comments talking about that's a hair room. Yes, it's a hair room and it's my hair room. So yeah. I'm going to probably start on that wig, like I said, about 5 times ago. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all, so I know I told you I didn't want to do this, but my boyfriend actually encouraged me to go ahead and try. So I'm going to try. I have done a closure replacement before, but nothing with like a machine factory made wig. So what I'm doing right now is like basically it's like outlining where the closure should be at, and I'm gonna put T-pins where I think it should be at. She can't do this. Yes, I can. I just did it. But y'all, this is hard. I'm struggling. Okay, y'all, after about 20 minutes, I didn't record the process because I was trying to honestly figure out how to do it, but I did it. So I went ahead and sewed the closure on. that's the outside. And then once again, I did not bleach anything. This isn't even my wig. This is not from my hair collection. I just want to reiterate that. This is just a wig from a lady that I help customize her wigs. But this is the new closure on. Yeah, that was a different journey, like a different task for me. I did have to like cut out the weft, like cut a little slit through the weft to make the 4x4 closure fit, because once again, this was for a 5x5 and then she gave me a 4x4. But yeah, so I just cut a little space and then sewed it on my sewing machine. This was the previous closure and it was a 5x5. It doesn't look like it, but it was a 5x5. Okay, guys, so I have finally replaced it. It's looking actually pretty good. I didn't think that I was gonna be able to do it. I was really scared that I was going to mess it up. In the beginning, once I cut the track, I was like, oh, there's really no one going back. You need to, you know, you gotta get this right, or yeah. So I told her that it might be bumpy, but to be honest, it's not even bumpy. Like, I did that. So yeah, I took a break longer than I should have, but I'm going to show y'all how I'm curling the hair right now. but this is just one side. This is one side curled. This is the hair after it's been air dried, but this is one side curled. Again, this is not my supplier, so I don't know why their lace is purple, but yeah, this is how the curls are coming out, and I'm gonna just keep doing the okay, guys, so this is the final product. I finally finished curling. It's been about, I think, like 45 minutes. I just wanted to make sure the curls were all intact, so yeah. Into all the curls, look how pretty they are. I leave them intact just because today is Wednesday and I'm not gonna be giving this to her until Friday, so I'm gonna just keep the curls intact. But that concludes this YouTube video. It was just like a little random, I guess, like entrepreneur, I don't know, this is just a random wig making vlog, like a normal day, what I would do if I had things to do. That was all that I needed to do. I do have like one more wig that I want to do, but I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to do it. I'm gonna try to aim for it I'm gonna try to aim for it tomorrow, but I do have an appointment to get my bracelets tightened, and then I work at 4 in the morning, so I don't know if I'm gonna be up for all that, but we'll see. I'll see. But let me know if you guys want a curling tutorial on how I curl, or any tutorial on how I pluck, or you know, customize my wigs. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Please like if you like this video, comment something, anything, any videos that you guys want to see next, or something that you like, or any suggestions or tips that you guys could give me. And subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, please. I really highly appreciate it if you guys subscribe and follow me on my journey. But yeah, that concludes this video. I want to say thank you all for tuning in. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.